absolutely gorgeous. This wig comes with this beautiful brown ombre. It has the dark roots, the brown tips, and it also comes with a slightly pre-plucked hairline. So I'm using today's wig because it's one of those wigs where you don't need to do any coloring, you don't need to bleach the knots, you don't need to pluck the hairline, you just kind of put it on and go. The lace color on this wig is a transparent color. You may want to tint it if you are darker than me. Heck, I need to tint the lace, but I'll do that later in the video. Right now I'm just applying the perfect line twist onto the cap, and this is going to give that fake scalp appearance. I don't need to bleach the knots when I use this, and as you can see, I have knots. I did talk about this product in my previous video. You guys go check out the product. You need to check out these minis. These minis are it, okay? So if you have not seen that video, I will pop it out to you right here. Go watch that video. With this wig, you don't need to do much to it. It already comes colored. It already comes with that pre-plucked hairline. So the most thing that you need to do, like I said, is just probably tint the lace and put it on. I absolutely love the color on this. I did not even wash this wig. This is the way it looks straight out the box. So I'm just pushing the hairline back and prepping it for installation. Now today's install is also going to be very simple because we have a new product that I'm trying out, and I'm really excited to try out this product. Yeah, you guys can keep watching for that. I will be sure to put my hot comb and every tool that I use down below in the description box, so be sure to check there. All right, so today we are going to be trying out the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond, and I have seen this going around. A lot of people have been talking about it, so I wanted to try it out myself. I picked up the bigger version. This bottle was about $7 at my local beauty supply store. I did not see any smaller bottles. This one right here is the orange can. I chose this one because this is the one everyone is talking about. This is the Extreme Firm Hold Active Use Fast Drying. It's supposed to be fast drying, no residue or buildup, and 10 times hold. So while I was in there, I also picked up the Ebin Lace Wig Adhesive Extreme Firm Active Glue. You guys definitely let me know if you want me to come back and do a video on this. However, today we are just going to focus on the spray because I'm very interested in this spray. It's not a lot of times that you actually see an actual lace glue that is a spray. These are actually just for hair, just like holding sprays for hair. But for them to actually make an adhesive spray, this wig is very simple. It's like one of those wigs that you just get up, put on and go. So it's already colored. They have already lightly bleached the knots. I shake it up before I start. I don't know why I always shake my canned products. So it does say you can blow dry on cool, so that's what I'm going to do. Before it dries all the way, I'm going to go ahead and add another layer right over top of that layer. And I like the smell. It's not too strong. So off the top, it does take a minute for it to get tacky. So you just want to keep touching it until you can feel that it's tacky. I mean, it's not extremely tacky. It's a little sticky, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick down the lace anyways. I'm gonna use the back of my comb and press the lace down. I don't feel a grab like from the glue. It don't feel tight, but we'll see. I'm gonna just keep playing with it. I'm gonna dry it some more. Since it does take a little minute to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do both sides so that this side can dry. Stick it down, and it does feel tacky on maybe you gotta let it dry just a little bit longer. I said fast drying, I thought instantly it would get tacky, but it takes a few minutes. All right, so it says to tie it down for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to take my satin, tie around and push the hairs out the way and then tie it down. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this powder around my hairline just so I can make sure that transparent color lace blends with my complexion. Go ahead and add that around there. Melt everything at one time. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and release this and we're gonna see what's going on. Let me just clean up. So I do feel like it holds really good. I feel a really good hold with it. It feels a little tight. It's comparable to the sprays from Got2b, but without being messy. I feel like the Got2b sprays can be a little bit more sticky. With this lace color, I need to tint it just, or at least cut it back some more, but I didn't. So I'm just cleaning up this area. Let's talk about this Wonder Lace Bond. Applying it for the first time, when I first started spraying it, I did feel like it took a little bit longer to get tacky, even with the cool setting. I didn't try it on a warm setting because the bottle itself says use it on a cool setting. I do feel like I'm gonna get the same hold that I would get with the Got2b spray. Why I say that is because, I don't know, it's just pulling on it, it feels the same to me. It feels the exact same. Now, this isn't supposed to be for a long where I can go swimming type of hold. It's mostly supposed to get you through your day. I can say that if you do feel like the Got2b sprays and all those sprays don't hold for you, this one is a bit stronger, but it is a daily use. So I don't expect it to last through extreme heat, and that's why I had asked you guys if you want me to try their active bond glue. I don't know if you all have already tried this, but yeah, let me know if you want me to try that. If you are looking for something that is a day-to-day wear and you want comfort, you want it to last, you want it to be clean, because baby, this hairline is very clean and it's not as messy as the Hairsprays. Yeah, I like it. I feel like my wig is on very good. I don't feel like it's going to slip. But with this, it's very simple to use. Like, you spray it, you put that dryer to it, you let it become tacky. I applied 2 to 3 layers. I only applied 2. Girl, it looks good. It really do. Like, it looks really good. And as far as this wig itself, I really love the color. However, I wish I didn't get the transparent colored lace. It was hard to kind of cover up. If you tried the Wonder Lace Bond, drop me some comments. Tell me what your thoughts is on it. Drop me some comments and tell me how long this held for you if you tried it out. So yeah, we'll be sure to put this wig down below in the description box. Be sure to check the description box. This color is just so pretty for spring. Yeah, and I will see you all back in my next video. Mwah.